Hi everyone, I am Shreyansh Jain and today we will covering top k frequent elements in an array. So this is our problem statement. Given an integer array nums and an integer k, we need to return the k most frequent elements. So let's build the intuition as always. Let's take an example where we need to find two frequent elements in this array. So like to find the two most frequent element, we need to know the frequency of them first. So we will build a frequency array which will be like this. Say 1 comes one time, so it will be only 1. 2 come 3 times, so we will have 3 for the second element. Third element come one time and the fourth element comes 2 times. So this is our frequency element array, and if we try to visualize it, it will look something like this. So where the first element comes only one time, second element comes 3 times, third element comes one time, and the fourth element comes 2 times. This is just a pictorial representation of this array. So what we need to do? We need to find the two most frequent elements. So if we remove these two non-required elements, then we will get our answer, right? So our problems comes down to a solution. We need to remove the non-required elements. But how do we remove it? So the topmost element, the last element to come out of the min heap. So min heap gives us the minimum element. So the last element which comes out of it will be the topmost element. So similarly, so the last two elements to come out of the min heap are the top two elements. So what we learned? To find the frequency, we will use map to create the frequency array. We will remove all the not required elements. But how we do it? As we discussed, we will maintain a min heap and we will keep the size k. Why k? Because we want the top k elements and these elements are the last one to come out. So let's see the pseudo code. This is our method, top k frequent elements. Here we just created a frequency map, keeping the record of how many times each element come. Then we initialize our min heap. We push all the elements in the min heap. If the size is greater than k, we will pop it out because that will be a smaller element. And at last, we pop all the elements out of it and store in the result array. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe to view more content like this.